You up for a martini?
Yeah.
You up for a strawberry and cream martini?
Wait, what am I supposed to say? No to that? Of course I'm up for a strawberry and cream martini.
This is a really simple martini.
You're just going to pour Bailey's into a martini glass and be done with it?
Would you like your martini shaken or stirred?
Shaken.
Good, because I was going to just say shaken's all we got. 1.5 ounces of some type of vodka. Going with Grey Goose.
I like the goose.
1.5 ounces of Bailey's strawberries and cream.
Yes.
What do you think? Curdle? No curdle?
Oh, God, I hope not.
Oh, come on, curdle. I want a cement mixer.
I don't.
I know what you're thinking. There's not enough strawberry in this, right? So let's add 1 ounce of strawberry syrup.
Oh, that's going to make this even better.
It's cold.
I bet.
And now it's ice cream.
Ice cream. Oh, my God. Look at that. It smells like a strawberry milkshake. I can't.
There. You've got even...
Babe.
I think you have more than me. What's my favorite milkshake?
That is not fair.
What's my favorite milkshake?
Strawberry.
What does this smell like?
Strawberry milkshake.
I'll give you a little.
Thank you for your kindness.
There.
You cheated! You cheated!
Cheers to a strawberry and cream martini.
It has the consistency of a strawberry milkshake.
I think I would cut back on the vodka a little bit. Just a little bit. I taste a lot of vodka. Okay, you don't seem to care. I just have that all alcohol taste. I think I would knock it down like 1/2 ounce of vodka. So go with like an ounce of vodka and an ounce of vodka, 1.5 ounces of strawberries and cream. You don't seem to care.
That was good.